Welcome back to the Steel Guitar. Chris Mahoney of MahoneyGuitarGear.com, who is remaking the old Jordan Buzz Tone, asked if I'd go ahead and do a video showing these things off again. I'm not gonna. The Buzz Tone is just like the old Jordan Buzz Tone. This knob does the volume. The second knob does the attack. And I may also show the buzz boost, which it provides a set amount of gain, and then you can also control the amount of bass or treble boost. I may show that as well, and I apologize for the camera angles, etc. But in the room I've got, I can't quite get in there because, well, that's the patio door, and there's a very loud yapping dog, a very little dog whose name is Max. Yes, and his little dog Max. Anyway, so I'll go ahead, and from here you should be able to see me, moving the knobs, and I'm setting it on a tripod like I usually do so that I can play and not have to worry about the camera. Anyway, I've got it set so the volume. I got it set so the volume when I kick the fuzz in and out is roughly the same. That's that is with the attack knob, the attack knob set to very near the bottom. If it comes down much more, it really drops out. But okay, and it doesn't really and yeah, that's about as subtle as the overdrive gets, and I usually leave it cranked up to hippie psychedelic fuzz. And even though it's really thick and powerful, I kind of think, provided you like that sort of, late 60s, early 70s, hard-hitting stuff, I think it works really well. Pardon me, I'm going to have to turn that volume way up if I can find the volume slider. That's weird. Where is it? yeah, I don't find that the Buzz Tone really sounds that great turned down to subtle overdrive. And the boost thing. This is, he sells a box that is just the fuzz. And this one I bought from a friend of mine, Hal Higgins, and it had both. That's with it boosting the bass. And you know, if you're sitting far away from your guitar, it does a real good job of helping you give additional tone shapes if that's what you're into. You know, like if you're busy doing you know, you wanted. A whole bunch of Bakersfield trebly stuff. You know, I've got a whole bunch of treble boost at my fingertips, or I've got curly chalker boom. But anyhow, that's it. I really like the box, but it, you know, it's, if you're looking for a subtle fuzz, no, you want something other than the Buzz Tone. It does what it says, and it says what it does, but you know, it's if you're wanting that subtle Dave Lindley thing, no, this gives you Traffic meets New Rise of the Purple Sage, you know, like, you know, I don't need no doctor kind of thing. But anyhow, I dig it. MahoneyGuitarGear.com if you want to get one. And yeah, it's the same thing that they sold in the 60s and 70s. And Chris Mahoney's got it out again. Great little box. And where's my off button?